Hi, my name is Allie Fiesler, and we'll be covering the Technology Integration lesson for my 6th grade Technology Applications class. This lesson will fall under the zone of proximal development learning theory. Vygotsky defines the zone of proximal development as the distance between the actual development level of a child as determined by independent problem solving and the level of potential development as determined through problem solving under adult guidance or in collaboration with more capable peers. We no longer coach, we teach. Students will take learning in their own hands by applying and collaborating with their peers. The teacher is more of a facilitator, which will guide and redirect students' learning when needed. The technology that is being used for this lesson is gcflearnfree.org. This is a great resource that I wanted across a few years ago. They are a free online education site that really focuses on the technology skills, but they offer many other topics. My district is a Microsoft district which offers students access to Microsoft products. I utilize Class OneNote Notebook as a form of learning management system, as well as Microsoft Word. Quizzes is a free class quiz game that is very similar to Kahoot. The teachers are able to conduct formative assessments in a fun and engaging way for students. Then we will use typing.com as an interactive and engaging typing site for students to learn the proper ways to type and to build on their speed and accuracy. The basic technology skills are essential for the 21st century. In our district, 6th grade is really the first grade that has a technology class. So I'm basically having to teach them the basics. So in this lesson, the students will become familiar with the proper way of formatting text in a Word document. This lesson will take one 45-minute class period. The TEACS that is being covered is the 6th grade technology application TEACS, which technology operations and concepts. The student demonstrates a thorough understanding of technology concepts, systems, and operations. The student is expected to create and edit files with productivity tools, including a word processing document using digital typographic standards, such as page layout, font formatting, paragraph formatting, and list attributes. So in this lesson, we will first start by watching a short little video from gcflearnfree.org as a class. Students will have access to their video in their class OneNote to be able to go back and review the video at other times. So here's what the site looks like. So I'm going to do a short little play.
In Microsoft Word, the look and feel of your document has a lot to do with the formatting choices you make. If we added some formatting to this flyer, for example,
So basically this video walks the students through how to format a text. It also gives you step-by-step instructions instead of having to watch the video if a student needs to quickly go back and say, oh, how do I make my text bold? They would just go to this topic and then they would figure out to make the text bold. All they have to do is click on the B. Okay? Once we are done with the video, we will check for understanding by having the students complete the quiz formatting text quiz. Okay? So the quiz already has 10 questions that already made. We can do a live game. We can make it a homework but I'm going to just do solo because I don't have anybody playing with me. So you can get the feel of how it really is. Okay, so what I would do as the teacher, I would be at the board and I would read the question, which is, to make the text bold, you click, I'll read the answer choices, B, I, or U, and I will click the B, and I got it right. Okay, and then it will also tell you the correct answer. To make the text underline, you click, I'm going to get this one wrong, and it tells me I got it wrong. Oh no. And then it tells us the correct answer is U. Okay, then to make the text italic, you click the I. Alright, so that is the feel of quiz. Once we have finished that, we will then take learning in our own hands by reinforcing what we've learned in the video on learnfree.org and implement the skills in an assignment by using a Word document. Okay, so we will go to our class notebook. The students already know how to get there, but I will show you kind of what it looks like. We have our class video, so if we need to go back and watch it, we can go back and watch it there. We also have the link to our quiz, so it will automatically just direct us to that. But then we also have a button that is for our assignments. For our assignments, this assignment is we're going to practice formatting text by completing the following assignment. We're going to find the font. Select each font name below and find it in the font drop-down menu. Change it to match each one. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a random font and I'm going to do Comic Sans. I'm just going to change the font and we're just going to change it. Okay, so what the students would do is to complete this assignment is they just go and change the fonts of the different assignments or the different font names. Okay, if the student was to be stuck and they needed further guidance, they could always go back to the video and they can learn from the website, but also they can work with their peers to complete this assignment. Once they are finished, and I know they're finished because I'm able to see their work, the students will go to typing.com to practice their typing skills. And what we do is we will type until the end of the class period. So, thank you very much and have a good day.